Yep. So for your BMW, if you are getting the air con, like one side, maybe the driver's side, this side is coming cord here, and then this side home here. Yeah. So you just have to take out your dashboard, yeah, and everything like on your three cylinders, yeah, and then you have these the actuators, as you can see, these two, yeah, the actuators which normally moves the valves. So you have to remove this one, out, as well as this one. So these are actuators, in short the motors which rotates the vent valves, yeah, and then you replace them, or you just do it manually like this. Close the one which closes, and then you open. So if you don't have one, you can just leave it manually, whereby you close and then you open, just like that. Yeah, and then you put everything back together, then you try your aircon.